service your garage door. First thing I like to do is disconnect and run it manually. So I'm going to disconnect it from the opener itself. You're going to need some spray lube and a step ladder when you go to service the door. What I do first thing before I shut the door is I want to hit the bottom rollers. So I take my lube and spray the roller and the bottom bracket. Now I'm going to completely shut the door. Once the door is shut, now I'm going to spray all the end hinges, top bracket, and the roller, all your center hinges. And I'm going to do the same to the other side. Now you want to grab your ladder, spray the end bearing, spray the outer side, and the oil will seep in there. Go to the other side of the other end. And then bring back your ladder to the center of the spring. In between your spring, there's a little center bearing. You want to spray some in there. And then go ahead and lubricate your springs. The springs do turn as the door goes up and down, and this keeps it from making a clanking noise. Once you've coated everything really well, now I'm going to manually run the door up and down to work everything in. I'm going to engage it back and press the opener for the door to go up and down. You want to do this about once every 6 months. If you don't feel like you're able to do that and you want us to come out and take a look at it, and actually we can check the rollers and cables and hinges, give us a call at Taylor Garage Door.